So today we have the 4-wheel inflator slash deflator. Start off, you can see the ball valve that controls the air pressure. Then it goes to the regulating valve, to the inflatable and deflatable center control system. And of course your digital pressure gauge to control that. Here we can see the copper fittings that connect to this explosion protector, to the 3-layer rubber hose. And at the ends we have the snap-on connectors. Just snap them on and be good to go. Here's the regulator. If you want to deflate it, just pull it to the opposite side. I'm gonna put it up because my coupling is pointing downwards. So this helps inflate. So I will be deflating some tires to show you how this works. So here in the menu, you can see that it's for sedans, SUVs, ATVs, off-roading vehicles, UTVs, RVs, and trailers. It does have how to maintain it, a diagram labeling each component. I also realized that, let's say you don't want to have 4 holes, you could always configure the hose and just connect 2 of them. The gauge does take AAA batteries, 2 AAA batteries. Very simple.